interview about a possible ICE detention in Milwaukee has gone viral.
Abril Preciado is working to verify the report, but it's causing a shakeup in Latino communities.
It's all started with an interview. An anonymous person says a U.S. citizen family of Puerto Rican descent was detained by ICE in Milwaukee after being overheard speaking Spanish at a department store. In an interview with Telemundo Puerto Rico, the person says their family members were denied to speak to officers until they arrived at the detention center, where they provided proper identification and then released.
There is a lot of fear and a lot of panic in the community.
To verify the incident, we reached out to ICE, the Milwaukee Sheriff's Office, and other entities. ICE tells me since they do not have more specifics, they do not have record of this incident. The Milwaukee County Sheriff's Office tells us no arrests in this matter have been made in Milwaukee, nor is anyone detained in Milwaukee County Jail.
We are working to confirm if this incident actually happened. We did reach out to ICE. While they could not confirm on the specific case, they do say if information is limited, it could be a good indicator it is false.
So now people can't even speak Spanish or even speak in a different language in public without being suspected of being illegal as well? As of right now, U.S. citizens do not have to carry proof of citizenship if they are in the U.S., but U.S. citizens have now already been thinking of starting to carry their birth certificates, certificates of naturalization, state IDs, driver's licenses, which you should already be carrying, but just to prove that they are really U.S. or naturalized U.S. citizens. And even if this particular story is not true in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, there have already been in recent news of a U.S. military veteran in New Jersey that was detained by ICE without a warrant, which is plain violation of the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, which guarantees the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Then there was a U.S. citizen man in Bakersfield, California, that claimed he was detained by ICE agents because of how he looked and the color of his skin, which would clearly be racial profiling. So if you are a U.S. citizen and you have been detained by ICE, then you need to reach out to a civil rights attorney immediately, because it's not legal for ICE to detain U.S. citizens, and that is a violation of their civil rights, including naturalized U.S. citizens who have the same civil rights as natural-born citizens. This includes the right to equal protection under the 14th Amendment, the 4th Amendment protection against unlawful searches and seizures, and the 5th Amendment right to due process and the right to an attorney. However, a naturalized citizen can still be removed from the United States if the government can prove that they lied about a crime they committed before becoming a citizen, but nevertheless, they still have civil rights. Call the law offices of Stephanie M. Gwynn today for any of your U.S. immigration needs.